Today we are going to try to answer the question, how often should I post to my blog? Hi, I am PixelPia, and answering that question is not that easy. But to try, we're going to start to take a look at the goals for your blog. If your main goal is to increase traffic to your blog, you need to publish posts more often. If your goal is to increase income from affiliate link or sales, you need to build a lot of content like reviews and list posts. And for that, the more often you publish, the faster you build your library. If your goal is to build authority within your field, you need to publish longer and more in-depth posts. And for that, you might publish less often. But how do you find the ideal blogging frequency for you? Well, your publishing frequency should be a combination of your ability to write quality content on a consistent basis, the goals of your blog, and your audience preference. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. But one thing that will help you, whether you choose to post every day, once a week, bi-weekly or monthly, is consistency. As a new blogger, you might try different frequencies. Post every day for a while, post 2 times a week for a while, and then take a look at the data and trying to find what your audience prefer. A benchmark for new bloggers is to post 2 posts per week. But with that said, there are blogs out there that writes high quality posts and are very popular on social media that posts only once or twice a month. So let's talk instead about frequent posting and infrequent posting. And when we talk about frequent posting, I'm talking about posting 3 times a week up to daily. And infrequent posting, we're talking about maybe 1 post a week, maybe bi-weekly or even monthly. And let's take a look at the pros and the cons of each concept. Pros when it comes to posting frequently is you quickly build up your content library, especially as a beginning blogger. Loyal readers will visit often, which increase your daily traffic. And of course, the more you write, the better you get, especially in the beginning when you're trying to find your own blogging style. But of course, there are cons with posting frequently. It sometimes negatively affects how many shares on social media each post gets. Your readers might miss some of your posts. And if you are using an email list to send out an email every time you publish a new post, your subscribers might feel like you are spamming them and maybe even unsubscribe. Your quality might be lower, and it might be hard to come up with new ideas what to write about. And the more time you spend on writing, the less time you have to do other things for your blog, like promoting and researching. And of course, you might run into the wall and get writer's fatigue. So now let's take a look at the pros and cons of an infrequent writing. An infrequent in this case means once a week, bi-weekly, or maybe even just once a month. And let's start with the pros. One definite pro is if you spend more time on your writing of a post, the quality will be higher. Another plus is that you also get more time to promote your post before next post goes up, which in turn probably will lead to more shares and comments on social media. On the con side, the first thing is that it will take you a longer time to build a quality library of posts. Your readers might forget about you, and in the beginning, before you have gotten into a routine with your blog, you might even forget about your blog yourself. So to help you decide how often you should post, ask yourself these questions. How much time can I dedicate to this each week? And remember, only 20 to 25% will probably be writing itself. The rest of the time has to do with research, promotion, and so forth. The second question is, does my niche, my topic, naturally lend itself to frequent or infrequent posting? And if you're not sure, take a look at other bloggers within your niche to see what they do. And the third question is, what is the goal of my blog? And of course, that goal can change over time. And always remember to keep an eye on the scale between frequency and quality. Tomorrow, I will take a look at what other pages do you need to create for your website when you're starting a blog. Hej då!